There are things about your own body, your food, and even your memories that might be better left unknown, but too late. Let's get into 17 facts you'll wish you could forget. Number 1. Your tongue print is unique. Just like fingerprints, your tongue has its own pattern of bumps and grooves that's completely unique to you. But your uniqueness doesn't stop at your tongue. Number 2. You're glowing, just not enough to see. Humans actually emit a faint bioluminescence from chemical reactions in our cells. But it's 1,000 times too weak for our eyes to detect. Still, glowing slightly beats these human oddities for today. Number 3. You share DNA with bananas. About 60% of your DNA is the same as a banana's. That's how far back our common ancestry with everything stretches. Though not all genetic connections are so simple. Number 4. Memories aren't stored in one place. They're scattered in pieces across your brain. Recalling something is like putting together a puzzle on the fly. Which is why memory is so easy to trick. Speaking of memory. Number 5. Your computer could be storing ghost data. Old deleted files can still be recovered because the data often lingers on the hard drive until it's overwritten. The next fact is even crazier. Number 6. Most wasabi isn't wasabi. Nearly 95% of wasabi served outside Japan is actually dyed horseradish. Real wasabi is rare and difficult to grow. But some food fakes are more unsettling than others. Number 7. Vanilla flavoring can come from beaver glands. Castoreum, a secretion from beaver castor sacs near their tails, is sometimes used to flavor vanilla and raspberry products. Still, that might be less surprising than this fact about trees. Number 8. Some trees talk to each other. Through underground fungal networks, trees warn each other of pests and drought, even sending nutrients to sick neighbors. Nature's kind and weird at the same time, but so is its scale. Number 9. Insects outnumber humans 200 million to 1. For every single person on Earth, there are an estimated 200 million insects. Imagine if they ever decided to coordinate. Here's another one. Number 10. Cockroaches can live without their heads. They only die after a week or two because they can't drink water. Their brains are spread through their bodies, not all in the head. Now let's talk about time, shall we? Number 11. Time moves faster on your head than your feet. Because of gravity's effect on time, thanks to general relativity, your head literally ages faster than your feet by a few billionths of a second per year. Not that you'll notice. Something from the past? Number 12. Glass is actually a liquid, sort of. Over centuries, old stained glass windows are thicker at the bottom, leading some to say glass flows like a slow liquid. In reality, it's a supercooled solid, but still behaves strangely over time. Time itself distorts everything, including our own sense of reality. Number 13. Cleopatra lived closer to the iPhone than the pyramids. The Great Pyramid was built around 2560 BC, while Cleopatra ruled in 30 BC. That means she lived about 500 years closer to us than to the pyramid's construction. How about an archaeological fact about food? Number 14. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that were over 3,000 years old, still edible. Its natural composition makes it nearly immortal. Unlike this next food that's a little risky. Number 15. Cashews aren't actually nuts. They're seeds from the cashew apple, and they grow inside a toxic shell that can blister skin. Processing them is dangerous without protective gear. But plant surprises keep going, especially when they start to move. Number 16. Some plants can hear themselves being eaten. Studies show plants like corn release defensive chemicals when they detect vibrations similar to caterpillars chewing on them. But it's not as crazy as fish changing genders. Number 17. Some fish can change gender. Clownfish, for example, can switch from male to female. In their hierarchies, the dominant male transforms if the female dies. Now you're stuck knowing your DNA's half banana and your ice cream might come from a beaver's behind. Sweet dreams. See you in the next one.